Some people, they may envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way they go chat rubbish, chat rubbish.
Hi, so today I will be using, this is dried fish, and I'm going to be putting some cooked shrimp in my porridge called Asaro in my language. Let's begin. I'm going to open my shrimp. I don't like the shell in there, so I'm just going to remove the shell. So after removing the shell, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, some Maggi, a teeny bit of curry. I'll grate some onions in there because I wanted to incorporate into it all together. Some garlic. See, I wasn't joking when I tell you guys I put ginger and garlic in everything. Not only does it take your food to a whole nother level, it's good for you because they're antioxidants. And finally, a little bit of thyme. Now you know that this shrimp is gonna be litty. I'll mix all of this all together. You can use a spoon or you can use your hands, whichever you prefer, baby. I'll put a pot on fire. Back again with the back again. What did I just say? It's the palm oil. Excuse my broken nail. We're using this guy again. Yeah, because it's delish, has lots of nutrients, and because why not? Pour your palm oil. Allow it to get hot a little bit. Now that your oil is a little hot, it's time to pour in your seasoned shrimps, because we're gonna be frying it in the oil instead of vegetable oil. I love that sound so much. So while we wait for the shrimp to cook, we're gonna be blending tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, and some Scotch bonnet. Blend away, baby. Woo! Now our shrimps is all fried. I wish you guys can smell it in here right now. Oh, smells so good. Look at this, baby. Look at this. In the same oil, I'm gonna be pouring in some onions. Let that fry for a little bit. So the onions been frying for a while now, so it's a little crispy. Perfect. Time to pour in your pepper. Oh yeah. Oh. Now cover and let it cook. Now while our pepper is cooking, this is yam. And this is what it looks like when you cut into it. And this is actually dry yam, so this yam is going to be swelling a lot. Be careful with this, please, and peel off the skin. And please be careful when you're peeling off the skin or touching yam that is cut. Do not touch your skin, do not scratch your skin, or you're gonna be itchy as heck. And then after peeling, I like cutting into 2 or 4 or 3, depending on how the spirit leads. After you're done peeling, throw your yam into a bowl of water, because so that way it doesn't turn like yellow or red, because it has a tendency to turn yellow or red if it's not in water. Now after I'm done cutting the yam and then transfer the yam in there, I add a little bit of salt, pour some water, and let cook for 10 minutes. At this point, it's time to season a pepper. I'm gonna be adding in some Maggi hunger, and I like adding this because it's red. So it will make my Asaro or porridge more red. I don't know if you can see how red that is. Probably not, but it is quite red. And all of these ingredients you can find at your African store. And then some salt and some Maggi. I am going to pour in the dry fish. There. Cover, let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Now the yam has been cooking for, let's say, 15 minutes now. This is the perfect time to drain it. So now I'm gonna be pouring it into the sieve to get rid of the water. It's hot. And at this time is when we're gonna be pouring everything all together. the consistency of the pepper. It looks like that is the dry fish that we poured in there. Now it's time to pour in the yam, or vice versa. You can pour the yam in the sauce, or you can pour the sauce in the yam, whatever you prefer. Now we stir. Actually, you know what, this is not gonna do the job, so we need something like this, stronger than a spoon. Stir everything together. I'm gonna actually start mashing now. So I'm gonna pour in some like stock. This is like a chicken stock, meaning like the water that I got from boiling or cooking chicken. I'm gonna pour some of this in there because this is gonna take it all higher. And then I'm gonna be adding some water as well because it's definitely too thick right now. I'm gonna stir that all together. Cover and let it all simmer for like, let's say probably 10 minutes. So, sorry if you can hear noise in the background, that's my AC. That girl is hot, okay? After cooking all this cooking in here, now is the time to pour in our shrimps. And then stir it all together. Now, because I like the taste of not so cooked palm oil, I'm gonna add a little bit more palm oil in there, just a tiny bit. This is completely optional, you don't have to do that, but this is how I like to make mine. And we are ready and set to go. Our porridge, Asaro in my language, is ready. Look at that baby. Looks absolutely delish. Ooh. So this is how it looks after it's dished out. You can pair your asaro with anything. I'm pairing mine with plantain, with some leftover efori roll, and my delicious red smoked turkey stew. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see me eating this, watch my previous video. Bye.